Yo, what's up, my people? Your boy Beau coming back with another video. Today, it's getting cool outside, so I figured why not throw some chili in the mix. This time we're gonna do it in the Instapot though. So, some of those days you come home, you don't feel like cooking, you ain't got enough time. We could probably get this one done in like 30 minutes, give or take, a couple minutes. So we're gonna get it started. So I'm gonna go ahead and add what's needed. I'll actually have the recipe on the website, beaucancook.com. So for the full recipe, go there, check it out. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get this beef cooking. So we wanna set your Instapot on saute mode, let it heat up a little bit, and then you go ahead and add your meat. You don't need to add any oil because the meat, of course, is gonna have some oil to it. Got 2 pounds ground beef. Whatever you want to use. If you use something that has a lot of fat, you got to make sure that you drain it. I didn't go with a real fatty one, so that way I can keep some of that flavor inside the pot. And break that down. So my daughter actually brought it up to me about the whole chili thing, so I guess why not, I love taking requests from the kids. Give me another reason to get in the kitchen. So you basically just want to start letting that brown a little bit. Once it starts to brown, we're going to go ahead and add our veggies into it and let those saute in the pot as well. So of course, all kinds of ways to make chili. It's a personal preference. You can always switch it up, add something new, take something out, change the meat. There's chicken, you can do turkey, whatever you like, whatever suits your needs. We're gonna go ahead and add our veggies in there. So some white onion, garlic, and bell pepper, and some green onion also. So we're gonna go ahead and add that in now that that meat has gave off some oil, some fat. Go ahead and add that in. And let that get nice and tender. And like I said, you can make it how you want, but I know my flavors, so I make it how I like it. Gotta have some flavor in there for me. I know you probably wondering, you ain't seen any seasoning yet. I just got the vegetable seasoning in there right now. Dry seasons will be coming soon. We're gonna give it that chili flavor. You basically want to let this get just about all the way brown. And those veggies kind of soft and tender. And then from there, we're basically gonna add everything else that we're gonna need for our chili. Switch the pot over to pressure cook mode, put the lid on, and we're gonna let it do its thing. So I'm gonna give you a little peek into the pot, let you see what it looked like. From this point, if you want to get in there and see, come on in there and see. Starting to smell really good. Yes, sir. Let that go for about maybe 4 more minutes, and then we'll go to the next step. So a lot of people ask, what you eat your chili with, man, what you put on top of it. So most of the time I'm cooking for the kids, so I try to make it a little fun. So today I got the Frito scoops. So scoop in the chili, make it fun. But cornbread, some sweet cornbread. My dad likes dry cornbread. or the southern cornbread, I should say. You know, crackers, Ritz crackers, saltine crackers. You know, the list goes on. But all right, so now we got that where we want it. From here, we're gonna take some beef broth. We're gonna take fire roasted diced tomatoes, whatever brand you desire. Tomato sauce. And we're gonna go with our beans next. So I have this mixture of pinto and kidney beans. And these are actually in chili sauce, so they're not in that old gunk that they're normally in. These are actually in the sauce, that's why they're not draining. So I'm just gonna keep that flavor. From that goes to the spices. So again, it's gonna be posted what exactly is in there. But to give you an idea, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, sweet paprika, some kosher salt, a little sugar, some black pepper, and some oregano, and some cumin, and some chili powder, of course. Add your spices. I know I like spices, so as long as it's not too salty, we good. So once you get all that in there, give it a stir. Want to come in and check out what it look like now. It already look like we there, but we not. We gotta cook it. We gotta bring it all together. So once we get that all in there, I'm trying to make sure I got every bit of seasoning from the side. Oh, not bad. All right, once we get to that step, we're gonna take our top. Maybe. We're gonna go ahead and switch it to pressure cook. Actually, let me cancel it first. We're gonna switch it to pressure cook high, and we're going for 20 minutes. And we're gonna start it and let it do its thing. Once that alarm starts ringing, we'll be right back, let you know what it looks like. See you soon. So welcome back. So as you see, we all done here. It's in warm up right now. So we're gonna go ahead and release the steam. We're gonna do a natural release. All right, it's done. Smelling good, smelling good. Yes, indeed. I'll give it a stir. If y'all want to come in and take a look at it, that's what she is there. It's good to go like this. So I'm gonna plate up a bowl so you can see what it look like. To me, it's perfect like this. What you think? Dress it up with a little 4 cheddar cheese. like that. You know, most people like to hit it with sour cream. Not even gonna front, I don't like sour cream. That's one of maybe 3 things that I don't like. One of 3. It's not many things I don't like, but that's just one of them. And what's crazy is I can take some taco seasoning and mix in that sour cream, like what I usually do when I do tacos. And I can eat it like that. I don't know, it's weird. Anyway, a little green onion on top. Sometimes I do cilantro, you know, whatever you like. And there she is. Beau's chili. Take that corn chicken. Put it in there. I know it's super hot, y'all, so I'm about to burn myself. Try not to get no sour cream, to be real. Yeah. That's good. For real. Make sure you guys check it out. I'm sorry, I like talking my mouth full. Corn chip. Anyway, awesome. You gotta check it out this fall. I mean, you can cook this anytime, but you know, it's extra special in the fall. In the winter when it's cool and chilly outside. Recipe, beaucancook.com, BEAUCANCOOK. beaucancook.com. Check me out. I appreciate y'all. See you next time. Later.